the water.
Okay, Nabia,
How did they die?
you have purchased new fishes. Where are your olds?
They died.
What happened? Why?
I don't know. How did
They got sick.
They ate so much food.
And they got sick.
Okay, I think Nabia has eaten their food, so therefore they have died.
That's why you're like a fish. That's why you're like a fish. Yeah, I am like a fish. I don't have ideas. Good.
Okay, so what's the price of this one?
I don't know. My uncle bought this exactly.
100.
These are called piranhas. They don't let any fish stay inside. They need a lot of water.
Okay. So, what's the name of these fishes?
Piranha.
Okay.
Banana.
They're just two.
Banana.
Yeah, they're two.
The banana. The skin is golden.
They're
Okay.
very shiny. We have this big aquarium for 45,000.
Your
Okay.
or your uncle got it? My uncle.
Have you put this video on your channel about this?
I am going to put.
Okay. What's the name of your channel?
Ikra shape.
Do you want to give any message on this channel?
Yes, please subscribe to him and make him reach
Yeah.
more than 2,000 subscribers.
How many videos do you have on your channel?
I don't know, maybe
I
seven.
think so. 5 or
7.
He has
Okay.
1,000,000 subscribers. What about you?
Do you want to give any message?
1,000. No.
What's your name?
He doesn't want to give any.
Asabi. Okay.
Zavi.
Asabi. So if you want to give any message,
That I would love if they subscribe.
okay.
Okay, bye.